Today's advanced steels are making squeeze-type resistant spot welding a must-have skill. I-CAR's Squeeze-Type Resistant Spot Welding is a hands-on skills development course that'll teach you how to properly perform spot welds. Plan, prepare, and perform a series of test welds on coupons with different metal thicknesses and adhesives. Learn several flange treatment techniques. Perform destructive and non-destructive weld tests. Help to maintain the vehicle's structural integrity during repairs by learning new skills that reduce weld time and minimize the heat effect zone, all while training on your shop's equipment that's been verified through I-CAR's capability and readiness assessment, making it easier than ever to use your new skills in your very next squeeze-type resistant spot welding repair. Take your knowledge into the shop and learn hands-on. Register today to take I-CAR's Squeeze-Type Resistant Spot Welding Hands-On Skills Development course. Visit the I-CAR website for more information and to begin the registration process.